Okay guys, so in this video I will show you how to get keywords for your affiliate product. So for example, you would like to add affiliate program to your website, and I'm adding this. I have already added this shop, Body Jewelry by the Chang Gang, and now I would like to add some coupon codes here with affiliate link. But I do not want to spend time on searching keywords. What I can do is simply type in Google, uh, shop name, including word codes. First website what I see is Retail Me or Not, so I'll click on it, and here I need to right click and click on View Page Source. So here is the source code for this web page. Now let's click on Ctrl F on my keyboard and type here keywords. And here we can see keywords for uh, this page. So here they are. So now we can simply copy them, close this website, and paste it here and click on Add. All keywords added, as you can see. So this is one and simple way how you can do this. You can also try search different websites like this, like same this one doesn't have any keywords, as I can see. So so it works like these guys. So simply click on View Page Source and type here keywords or another word tag, and you will find keywords what you can add to your website. Hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, sub to my channel, and have a nice day. Bye.